Okay, so this is about a 20-minute drive, I want to say, more or less. Again, this is now using the cable, the original cable that came with the camera. I charged it a little bit more and it's gone down. Battery on my car, let's see. 13.8. From what I've read on yours, if it's 12, it's too low. But that's what my battery is. I can only say that when I turn it on, and or if I unplug this and then plug it back on after telling the camera not to turn off, it'll turn green, but it doesn't charge. And again, here's just a side view of the camera. No gap. Other way around. No gap. Not exactly sure. So here you go. It's and this also happens consistently. If I move it or press upward, it'll turn green. With the other direct power, the one that goes right into the fuse box, it turns red right away. With the original cable, it takes a little bit longer, but not exactly sure what's going on.